Don't you put this on YouTube?
I do put this on YouTube.
Ooh, really?
Someday I'll show you. Maybe Sunday. Wait, we don't have school. Write this down. Comparing whole numbers. That's your title for today. Title for today. Comparing whole hashtags. Or whole numbers. And probably we should just take 1 second to define this. What is a whole number? If I asked you, does anybody know what a whole number is? It's kind of, you should feel happy about whole numbers, because whole numbers are, just like they say, great.
Whole numbers that are whole?
They're wholes, yeah. It's easier to say what they are not. Whole numbers are not decimals, and they're not fractions. Okay? Whole numbers simply are the numbers like 1, 2, zero is one of them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they go on forever with the little dot, 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 that goes forever that way. That's a whole number. 75 is a whole number. 32 and a half, not a whole number. It's not whole. Okay? So you should be happy when they say that, because whole numbers are numbers that are easy to work with. And today we're talking about comparing them. And when we compare numbers, I'm sure this is nothing new to you, we have things that are called the comparison symbols. And sometimes people get these comparison symbols mixed up. We will try to just briefly go over them. They are really the ones, there's more than this, but the ones you need to know are this one, the little V or whatever that's like this. Then we got this one that goes this way. Then we got this little sign here. When you compare two numbers, you only have 3 choices when you compare numbers. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Okay, you've only got 3 choices, and the book will make it look like this. Let's say I'm comparing 7 to 12. You only have 3 choices. 7 is either greater than 12, which is this symbol. This is the greater than symbol, which I'm sure you probably know. How many of you get mixed up on the greater than less thans?
No.
What'd she teach you?
Alligators.
Alligator eats the bigger one.
Yeah.
This one is the less than. Now, I don't know if what Mrs. Bocek told you really helps you, because how does the alligator still eats this one, but what tells you that this is the less than one? Yeah, see, it tells you, I'll tell you in a second. And this is the equal to. When you have 2 numbers, either one's greater than the other, it's less than the other, or it's equal to the other. The way to remember it, yes, Mrs. Bocek's way is very good and correct. Alligator's eating the bigger one, 12 is the bigger number. But you always, always, always start from left to right and read the problem as it is here. See, 7 is, this is the less than 12. Okay, 7 is less than 12. This has to be the less than sign. If this is smaller, the less than the alligator's eating the bigger number, so 7 is less than 12. Okay, you have to read it from left to right, just like you were reading a book. What else do they ask us here? Yeah, they are going to then, ladies and gentlemen, because they're just that nice, they will give you something like this. And they will ask you to write the comparison. Which means, children, okay, you need to take this and write it out in words like I just did right there. So you have to go, you have to write out 5 is greater than 3. And please use words They said to write it out, so you kind of have to use the words rather than the number 5.
Oh.
Like those
Oh,
out.
they do that.
I know you people like to cut corners, that's just the way it is there. And they will also do it the other way, they'll also give you the words, like this. 4 is greater than 12, and you'll have to write that out. 4 is not greater than 12. Who wrote that? Let's change this to
4 is
4 is
greater than 12.
1. To which you'd have to do this. 4 is greater than 1. Okay. 4 is greater than 1. So please make sure, ladies and gentlemen, let me throw this at you again. If the problem in the book, for example, I'll even give you an answer, that's just the nice kind of guy I am. Problem number 3 is 97 circle 101. 97 circle 101. If this is the problem from the book, ladies and or gentlemen, on your paper you need to put all of this down. I don't want to just see the comparison symbol. You cannot just have this big fat thing in the square. I want you to write down what you got. Write that out. If you want, you can time me as to how long it takes me to do that. Let's do that. The 3 is already written, so 1001, 1002, 1003. It takes you 3 seconds to write that down. It's not going to. Multiply 3 seconds times 30 problems, David. How long is that?
90
And 90 seconds is how many minutes?
1.5.
It will take you to write down the stuff you need to write down for math. It will take you an extra 1.5 minutes to do your homework. And I can tell you the extra 1.5 minutes is well worth the good grades you're going to get compared to not taking the 1.5 minutes to get the bad grade. A lot of people say, that's a great point. Again, you 5th graders, you are way beyond your years of wisdom. Way, way, way.
Can we quit school now?
Huh?
Can we quit school now?
No.
Yeah.